and aka that journey chick on Instagram. I am so excited. This is my first Craftably tube. Now I have had one other Craftably painting. It was a snack size, not a licensed piece of artwork. This is my first licensed artwork from Craftably. So yes, I'm excited. Let's get into it. First of all, I love when things are sent in tubes because I have this comfort that what's inside is protected from the angst of the mail system. Yes. And I don't have to fuss to get it open. At least I hope not. Yeah, there is some tape involved here, but not a lot. Let's see. Oh, I thought it was going to be easier. Well, we'll see. All right. Let me look at the other end. Okay. Oh, here. Let's see. It looks like this medical tape, but I don't know. It's very secure. Here we go. Here we go. We're getting it. Okay, we're going to get it. Oh, this is not as difficult as I envisioned. Okay, good. Good, 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 good. And no one was injured in the opening of this tube. Yay. So we'll put the scissors away. What do we have? We've got, oh, how cute does that look like? Scare the dog. Oh boy. Sorry about that. I had to do it. Oh my God. Pull, pull. Oh, there's work involved. Exercise involved. Oh my goodness. Wow. And an invoice that says, Rebecca, what does it say? Hold on. Rebecca, thanks for your order. I love this one. We are thrilled to partner with this artist. We hope you enjoy her. Craftably yours, Amy, aka Crafty Wife. Oh, so cute. So this is a 60 by 80 square painting. Ooh, yes, love me some squares. Well, I don't know that I love squares, but yes, I do a lot of squares. Just depends on the company, you know. All right, I'm so excited. This canvas looks beautiful. So it has this sort of, it's very soft, almost like a felt feel to it. It's got the serrated edges to prevent fraying, which that's an awesome feature. It's got branded Craftably diamond painting. So the canvas is branded. And I'm not going to show you what I got just yet. Of course, you can probably guess because, you know, it's me. So we got the drills here. And, oh my word. So first of all, they put a picture, a thumbnail of the painting on the packages of the drills. I'm going to tell you, I have a room full of packages of drills that I have to figure out which painting they go to. Now, there is ways. There's, you know, numbers and stuff like that, but to have a picture, wow, so cool. And look how pretty the colors are. Look. We're going to go through the colors and... okay, I'm just trying to see how they're packaged. Okay, cool, cool, cool. So what did we get in here? Okay. Is there a toolkit? No toolkit. Oh, there is a toolkit. It's in there. It's in there. All right, let's look at the toolkit. So it's in a, just a plastic bag. So you get a white boat with a funnel, a piece of wax, and this little container that says Craftably, also branded of wax. That's a nice feature. What else? Oh, the bag. The bag is branded, guys. Look at that. It says craftably, and it tells you what's in the bag. So yes. Oh, nice. That's a nice little toolkit. Very, very nice. So you got the pointed tweezers and a pen with da 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 da. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. Here's why I'm oohing, because as diamond painters, four placers are the bomb. We love our thin four placers, and this is a thin four placer. That you do not get this in most diamond painting kits, toolkits. So this is a huge win for Craftably. You know, in my book, you get like an A+ for just simply adding a four placer to your toolkit. That is huge and awesome. And then you get this entire bag of baggies. If you like to work from baggies, I do not. I will put this in a storage container before I do this. But you get all of these baggies, and there's quite a few. There's 2 different sizes of baggies. And then you also get a sticker with a picture of your painting that you can put, oh, this has a start date, finish date. I love that. So you can put this in your logbook. How awesome. I'm impressed. I am impressed so far. It just tells me that this company has put some thought into their diamond painting. So let's take a look at what she got. Now, it's poured glue. It's big. Oh my God, holy cow. Look, could this be any bigger? Look at this, oh my God. So it is, first of all, it's 60 colors, guys. 60 colors, and it's, this is a sticker. This whole thing is stickers. You can peel, like no Xyron sticker maker. You just take it off and put it on your storage container. But these are huge. Like, I can see these. That is amazing. And then it has the 8 steps to diamond painting, also branded. Wow. And then the number up here for customer service, how you can reach Craftably. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay. I've teased you long enough. So this is licensed artwork by Jasmine Beckett Griffith. Now, I have been looking at her stuff since I started diamond painting, for years. Because Heaven and Earth Design has always used her work, you know, in their collection, which you can convert from, you know, cross-stitch pattern to a diamond painting. So I've looked at it for years and just loved it. But this image just captured me, and you'll know why when you see it. Oh my God, there's more. We'll read that in a minute. Oh my gosh. Look at this. What do y'all think? What do you think? It's Alice. Yes, it is. It's called, it has a name. It's a Van Gogh. She's supposed to be a Van Gogh here. You know, you see the nighttime, the starry night background. But it's Alice in Wonderland. Look at those eyes. Oh my God. Look, amazing, amazing with the eyes. I'm going to have to put some bling here, guys, in the eyes. How beautiful is that? Look at all the blue in this painting. Holy moly. And it, you know, there are places where the canvas, you know, the plastic has separated from the canvas, but this is poured glue, so it's not a big deal. You can roll this backwards. It will fit in your, I have a roll keeper. It will fit in there, except I think it might be too wide for the roll keeper, so I will probably just hang this one up. my God. Isn't this going to look amazing on my Alice wall with the rest of the Alices? Let's look at the glue and the symbols. So it's sticky. I mean, but you know, you expect that. So let's find an area of symbols that we want to see. Maybe up here in the Starry Night. One more time. All right, we're going to look at the symbols and see if we can get the camera to focus and show us how nice they are. Let's get this up to the camera. And then I'm going to roll it down this way, because I kind of want to see the middle, where Alice is. This plastic is already starting to annoy me. I probably would take it off and put parchment paper on it. Very nice, clear symbols there. Very, very nice. So I am really, really loving this, guys. So like I said, to store it, I'm just going to roll it. You want to roll it backwards because it's poured glue. And I can adjust the plastic to get rid of a lot of the bubbling that I'm seeing. It's not a bubbling that's affecting the canvas. This canvas is perfect. But again, it's just a gorgeous, gorgeous canvas. Okay, let's look at the drills very quickly. Very quickly. Look, this is what I was talking about earlier. They are both got the picture of the painting. How amazing is that? All right, if you're wearing headphones, you're going to hear a little crinkling. Sorry, but it's a diamond painting unboxing. You know that's coming. All right. Let's look at the symbols. So we've got a white. We all know what white looks like. Do they do ABs? I don't know. Are any of these, we've got 5200. Okay, they do not include Aurora Borealis with their paintings. Okay. Well, we can live with that because we know how to add it in. All right, let's look at the symbols. Let's look at the symbols. We've already looked at the symbols. Let's look at these, at the diamonds. Like I said, this is square. So I'm going to run this across the screen pretty quickly because, you know, I just want to show you the colors. These are all, look at the blue. So some basic blues and stuff there. Now we go into the oranges and the yellows. Yeah. Now look at those squares. I don't see any like misshapen drills. They seem nice and flat on the backs, which that's a nice feature. And now we're getting into orange, yellow. Oh, I love that yellow. Here's like a flesh tone. That's probably for her face. And look at those blues. Oh, amazing. This is the blue that this is one of my favorite color blues here. It's 3843, but oh, it's so pretty. Really pretty. Look at this blue here, and you get, this is the, wait a minute, 30, hold on. Just, there is DMC numbers on the packages. Okay, so each package is numbered with the number that matches the schematic, 1 through 60. So it'll have one of those numbers on it. It also has the DMC number on it. So I just wanted to make sure that that was the case. There we go. These are actually two different blues here. This one and this one are actually two different blues. I don't know if the camera picked that up. Oh, a lot of gorgeous, gorgeous colors here. So I want to open the other packet because the other packet has one that I love in there. We'll put all this away in a minute. Let's look at the other package. This is the one that's going to have the 310 in it. This is, oh no, 828. So we've got 3 packages of 828, guys. That is right here. That's that dark, dark blue. Then we've got, this is 820. 3 packages of 820. Lots of blue. There may not be, oh, 4 packages of 820. Holy moly. There may not be any 310 in this painting. There is, but not a lot. Where did it go? Two packages of 310. Yeah. We're getting there. Look, here it is, guys. Here's what I wanted to show you. Pink. Oh, and there's so little of it. Oh, we need more pink in our lives. But, you know, I don't do a painting unless it has pink in it. And I think that pink is in her little cheeks there. Yeah. So, and more blue. This is 998, 995. Oh, these are the ones I was talking, my favorite. 995. 3 packages of 995. Look at that, guys. 3 packages. And then the 998. So beautiful. So beautiful. So I'm excited to get this painting started. I'll put all this away. Guys, thanks for tuning into my unboxing. This Craftably is this kit. Overall, I'm going to give it, you know, a 9 out of 10. The only thing I would change is the schematic. I would move it down to the lower right side, or one or the other. One of the schematics needs to be lower, but holy cow, everything else is amazing. The 4-placer, the skinny 4-placer that we love, the large stickers, you know, A+ for that. So guys, like I said, the only thing I would change would be the schematic. So everybody take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.